Well, when it comes to hospitality, no place like Las Vegas, right? This week, a group of future industry pros got a taste of what it takes to thrive in a city that never stops. Kamari Ascari shows us how UNLV's hospitality camp shaking things up, literally.
At this UNLV camp, it's not just about the books. Students are blending flavor, creativity, and careers as they get a hands-on introduction to the world of hospitality. And director Missy Arendash says there's no better classroom than the city itself.
We like to say we're in the world's best laboratory. Hospitality is in everything we do here in Las Vegas.
On Wednesday, students sharpened their skills in the art of mocktails led by bartending company Sips in the Desert. From technique to taste to presentation, they learned what goes into crafting an artisan, alcohol-free drink. Then they crafted their own signature sips inspired by Las Vegas landmarks.
I love making these mocktails. They are incredibly fun. We came up with the best, most amazing mocktail. It is a Sprite based with cranberry, with a little bit of lime juice. And it's just kind of a good, sharp punch, and it really adds great flavor.
Cash Dennis is enrolling at UNLV this fall, planning to major in hospitality with a focus on PGA golf management.
While mixology is a part of the training, the hospitality industry extends beyond just food and beverage.
We're talking about sports management. We're talking about food and beverage. We're talking about events. We're even dabbling into private clubs, travel tourism, luxury, healthcare even.
Students also learn the art of the guest experience and get VIP access to the inner workings of some of the city's most notable hotels.
This is preparing me from learning the very basic steps of how to get into this program with the basic terms and what others are doing with their lives. It also gives me reassurance that whatever I do in this program, I will automatically have a job as soon as I leave. Hospitality is about 73% of everything.
Well, UNLV's Harrah College of Hospitality ranked as the nation's top institution for hospitality and leisure management. This is the second year the school is hosting this hospitality camp.